How's it going, folks? My name is Jacob and I'm the Chief of Product at Check. Today we're taking a look at archiving and deleting clients. It's important to keep an updated list of your active clients at all times, but it's nice to keep past clients on file too. Check helps you do both easily. Let's talk about how to do so. In the Clients tab, let's tap on a client to open their client details. Let's take Angela Martin here, for instance. She owes us $0, a perfect client to archive. Now let's say Angela didn't want any recurring services, but you still did a one-off job for them. You might not want them in your main client list, cluttering things up, but it's good to keep their details around in case your services are needed again in the future, as well as simply to keep a record of your past job history. So to archive them, scroll to the bottom of their profile here in the Details tab and tap Archive Client. It's going to ask you to confirm, simply tap Yes, and voila, Angela Martin is archived. Now this is going to hide them from your list of clients while preserving all of their contact information and transaction history. You can always access your list of archived clients by simply swiping over on the Clients tab into your Archive tab, and there you can see Angela. Now to unarchive a client, you basically repeat the exact same steps, pull up their file, and now you'll notice the Archive Client button has been replaced with an Unarchived Client button. Pretty self-explanatory. Tap that, confirm, and Angela is back in our main Clients tab. Now it's important to note that if this client that you archived had recurring jobs, those jobs would be paused and any outstanding jobs would be canceled. So you notice that when I archived her, that recurring job there for every 2 weeks was paused, and it's still paused even though I unarchived her. So if you unarchive a client that had a recurring job paused, simply go back to that client, make sure that you look at the list of recurring jobs, and tap resume if you actually want those recurring jobs to pick back up where they left off, which we do. There you go. Now deleting the client is a little bit more permanent. It's, well, exactly like it sounds. Permanently erasing any and all information associated with that client. That's why we typically recommend archiving instead of deleting for any client that might have a transaction history with you. Since you can have unlimited clients for free, might as well keep them in the archive if you don't need them in your main list. Still, if you do find a reason to delete a client, simply go to the same client's details, and right beneath archive, you'll notice delete client permanently. We'll just tap on that, and rather than confirm here, I'm just going to tap no, but ordinarily if you're wanting to delete them, you would tap yes to confirm. That way you'll always have a clear picture of your clients, their records, history of transactions, keep everything nice and organized and in one place. I hope that helped, and we'll see you in the next video.